What's up, everybody? My name is Kelly Martin. I'm Kelly Awesome Sauce on social media. I'm gonna show you how I created these beautiful rainbow ghost roots on my model, Savvy. So she came in with some regrowth on her hair today, so we did BlondeAF with 20 volume, let that sit for 30 minutes, and then we got our semi-permanent colors ready. I'm going to create a rainbow application in Pinwheel sectioning, and then working in ROYGBIV order, I worked my way up her hair. We processed that for 25 to 40 minutes, and then we rinsed her out in high pressure cold water, and these are the end results. So what do you think? We love the end results. I feel like her color is super vibrant, extra shiny, lots of conditioning, and this is gonna look great as it starts to fade out true to tone. It's a great partial semi service for anyone coming in looking to just have a little taste of semis. Thank you all for taking the time to learn with me today. I hope that you learned something new. My name, again, is Kelly Martin at Kelly Awesome Sauce on Instagram. See you next time.